all the rap money, nigga think I'm selling bricks. But I got all this shit. You got
niggas a drive-by. Why they be capping, they know I'm that demons.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TC and I'm back with another video. Right now I'm about to pick my truck up out the shop. Just spent thousands of dollars on this piece of shit. So hopefully everything's running smooth after we're done. But who knows, man? This shop pretty shitty, so as far as they time, nice. I see fighting ain't got a reason. Sleeping alone, man. I just hate the times that we fight. How you doing? You online?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, what's the company?
Sleeping alone at night. I just hate the times that we fight.
Repairs done.
Huh?
You didn't want the repairs you had already approved done? Or did you?
What you?
The first estimate you guys approved,
Yeah.
did you want those repairs done?
It's already approved.
Right, it was approved. It doesn't look, it looks like we're still waiting on
You
it.
gotta be fucking kidding me, man.
Dude, come on, man.
Dude,
Right, I see that. Give me just a second.
bruh. How the fuck is these niggas doing? God damn. Like, what the fuck you been doing this whole time? And then you still waiting on the part, bro. This shit dumb as fuck. Like, how hard is it to fucking communicate, bro? It's insane. Fucking rush truck center, bro. Like, nigga, this shit is not that hard, bro. I don't understand. Fucking truck been here for 2 weeks and they still ain't, you don't even know what the fuck going on. Like, huh?
It's none of that.
Fucking better off keeping the damn truck to the damn park came, is that the case?
Probably should have. It's long.
Yeah, but they ain't say nothing about a part to the fucking, they ain't even say nothing about a part till like a week later.
We're still waiting on it. It's coming out of Cummins. He said it should be
no
here
way
this
I
week.
can go get it myself. Like, what's going on?
It's coming out of one of the factories. It was on back order. They said part should be here by the end of the week.
Yeah, but why would y'all send an email saying that it's being worked on and paid for?
Because you had requested to have so he just saw the email where you guys wanted a price on what we had in it so far. He didn't realize there was parts on order.
How when y'all literally sent emails saying there's no, we waiting on the part. Hold on, let me finish. Nigga.
I called on Monday.
Right.
And I said, hey, where are we at with the truck? I was told the part would be here no later than when.
Okay.
I approved everything already.
Right.
So what? I'm just trying to figure out what's the miscommunication was happening.
So he had just seen the email where you asked for the final price on the work that was already done so you could pick up the truck. That's why he sent that.
I thought you said it was already, you just said.
About picking up the truck.
This was like the 10th that you had emailed. He was responding to that.
That doesn't make sense. If we actually talk to you on the
I
phone.
called you on Monday. That's why that's the part I'm confused about.
Right.
So y'all didn't do, and then you just said that they didn't do nothing.
Right. The connector, we're still waiting on the connector.
So they didn't do no work to the truck.
I think they just did the bill that you got was for the diagnostics. Let me double
A $1,200 bills for a fucking diagnostic.
Those diagnostics
No, it's
and the
preventive
PM
maintenance.
service.
Oil change.
Right. But parts is saying, I know Cummins is saying in between today, Friday, we should have it.
But how do I know that? Like I don't like I have no. You told me that on Monday that it was till when.
I just don't understand how, like, why is communication so hard to, like, relay? I don't. It's simple. It's fucking. You got it or you don't.
No, and I understand that. It shouldn't. The review shouldn't have been sent. So I understand that.
Oh shit.
Let me
Cause
check
every
with
day
one of
was
my
here, you know.
parts guys, see if he can get me an exact ETA. If there's a tracking number that he can get me through Cummins. Just Cummins.
Y'all don't have no way to directly talk to him.
Track it. A lot of times, Cummins.
The tracker shit is not.
That's a little more familiar with the Cummins side. See if he can get me an exact date. So I'll be right back.
So what is the price they? What is the price they sent?
Previous work that already do.
Shit don't make no fucking sense, bro. Like, fuck the delivery, nigga. What did they do to the truck? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Nigga, the preventive maintenance in these all them fucking.
Okay, well we get the truck till the motherfucking park comes in. Like no point is this bitch just sitting here doing nothing. As y'all can see, it's been a long day. And when it rains, it pours. So the fact is, it's insane. And it's really like a scam what they doing, because we turned in our truck and we told them exactly what to do and what not to do. But you know, they don't listen, they don't communicate properly. They do what they want to do. And guess who gotta pay for it? Us. See, one thing could take your whole business down. Like, it's just a lot of BS that you gotta deal with. On top of what's going on with the economy and the gas prices, and they not wanting to pay you for the services. Like, dude, this make you not want to do it no more. It really do. And just like, try everything in your will to just keep going, and you know, you always come across these situations where it just sets you back even more than what you was already. And it's like, what do you do then, you know? You try to keep going and be hopeful, but it's like, I don't know, man. Anyway, we ended up leaving the damn. Hold on. Yeah, we ended up leaving the truck at the shop and just saying screw it. I mean, because if we would have took the truck, they would have tried to say, oh well, now you gotta wait in line for it to get repaired again. But we're losing money because y'all don't have a part, and the truck is just sitting there doing absolutely shit, nothing. Sent us an email saying, man, y'all seen it, man. I ain't about to keep going over it. So I just, like, I don't even have the strength to give a fuck no more. It's like, I just like, whatever, man. Let it go. So, this is a little taste of what it's like to be an entrepreneur, man. And not an easy task. It's not an easy task. It's a constant struggle. Still struggling. Still struggling, man. It's just, fuck. That's why they say have multiple streams of income, man. Don't depend on one thing. There's no message today. Just bullshit. Just what it is. TC is the end, but it's not the end. I'll see y'all next video.